To create a directory name hen using dir command in Linux terminal. To copy files, we use the cp command. This creates a duplicate of the in the new location and leaves the old one in place. Here we will create the file new file in the root directory with touch and copy it to /home/roj/sudo, renaming it in the process and leaving the original file in place. Renaming a file using nv command in Linux terminal. Now you check the list that directory. You can do the same with directories. To remove a file, you can simply use the rm command in Linux terminal. The command for removing a directory is similar to the rm command for removing files, but with dir for directory appended. It's important to note that rmdir will not remove a directory that is not empty, but will give you a warning message that the directory is not empty, so you can use the r switch after rm. Watch full video and subscribe the channel and comment your opinion is useful for yes or not.